Let's generate professional documents with DocMaker on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. In this video, I will be guiding you guys to enable and use DocMaker on ChatGPT Plus. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into ChatGPT account. Click on this email address and head towards the option settings and beta. Go to the option beta features and make sure you have enabled for this option of plugins. After you do that, you can go back and head towards this option of GPT-4 and check in for the option plugins. After you check in for this option, you will be able to find this drop down. Click on it, scroll all the way down and head towards the option of plugin store. Open it. Now from this page, you have to search for the plugin DocMaker. After it appears, install it and go back. Again, click on this drop down. Now you will be able to find this plugin DocMaker over here. You have to check in for this option. With that, you have just enabled DocMaker. This is the plugin that allows users to generate various types of documents. With this plugin, you are able to generate CSV file, docx file, HTML file, PDF documents, PPTX presentation, professional resume, and many more. All you have to do is provide a prompt over here. I have asked about latest update on topic cryptocurrency. To gather information about this topic, I have enabled another plugin. After it provides a response, I'm gonna ask it to make document gathering all the information it has provided right now. Now I'm gonna give a prompt to generate document using all these information provided. And now you can see that it has prepared document for me. Now all you have to do is click on this option of download the document here. And you can see that my document is ready. So this is how you can create documents using DocMaker on ChatGPT Plus. This plugin is particularly useful for users who need to quickly generate documents without the need for specialized software or tools. So this was all for this video. This is how you can enable and use DocMaker on ChatGPT Plus. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.